Fix in 5. P0474. Exhaust Pressure Sensor Circuit Intermittent, Bank 1 or Single Sensor. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, ML, illuminated, engine performance loss or reduced power, rough idle or stalling, increased exhaust emissions, poor fuel economy. Now the most likely causes. Loose or corroded wiring connections at EBP sensor. Damaged or pinched sensor harness. Faulty exhaust back pressure sensor. Poor ground connection at sensor or ECU. Water ingress in sensor connector, moisture damage. How to fix it? Clean or reseat EBP sensor connector and apply dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Repair or replace damaged wiring in sensor harness. Replace EBP sensor if testing confirms intermittent output. Service exhaust system to remove soot accumulation if present. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €80, €150 doing it yourself or €160, $230 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0474? The cost to fix P0474 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0474. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.